Hello, my name is Blanca Dixon. I'm a Department of Justice Accredited Rep for the UpValley Family Centers. And today I'm going to talk to you about Know Your Rights. All immigrants living in the U.S., including those who are undocumented, has rights guaranteed by the Constitution. We can't predict if an immigration officer will come after you because you don't have an immigration status. But what we can do for you is to prepare you and have a good plan in place in case this happens. First, find a local legal aid organization or pro bono attorney that helps immigrants. And make sure they are qualified legal professionals, no notarios. Notarios are not legally qualified to provide immigration help or to give advice. And some of them are looking to scam people. So be careful. Legal professional can help you if anything happens. This is not to panic or worry you, but if you were deported or have a criminal record, you should see a lawyer or a credit rep now to have a legal consultation. Something else that you can do is find and make copies and organize all important documents. These can include IDs, birth certificate, marriage certificate, medical, financial, school, immigration records, including the alien registration number, the one that starts with the A number, if you have one, so you can show it to the lawyer. And make sure all your family members know where this file is. Make a plan for your children in case you are not able to care for them. You can fill out a caregiver authorization affidavit of support with the information of person you trust with your kids. This will give authorization to this person to take them out of school, to take them to the doctor, and will also help you to communicate with your children in case you are in an ICE detention center. Try to memorize important phone numbers, like your attorney's phone number, some family member's phone number, the guardian you choose for your children, and also start saving money for bond if it's necessary. So find a lawyer. Find and make copies of important documents. Fill out the caregiver authorization affidavits of support. Memorize key phone numbers. Save money for legal expenses. What you should do if ICE comes to your doors. First, do not open your door. ICE officers are only allowed to enter your home if they have a warrant with your correct name, address, and that warrant needs to be signed by a judge. Ask the officer to slip the warrant under the door so you can take a close look at it. If your name is there, call your attorney right away. Make sure that warrant is signed by a judge and not by an immigration official. ICE officers usually carry warrants signed by an immigration official, not by a judge. If the warrant is signed by an immigration official, it doesn't give them permission to enter your home, even if your name is there. You should give them, unless you give them permission to enter your home. But if you open the door, that doesn't mean you are given the permission to enter your home. But officers later might argue that you did. So do not open the door. Do not say anything. You have the right to remain silent. Do not sign anything. Try to record everything, maybe using your phone. Try to memorize the agency where the officers come from, the name of the officer if you can. So you can do that. If you are in a public space and you are stopped by an immigration officer, remember to stay calm and do not run. The officer still have to show you a warrant with your name, and that warrant, remember, needs to be signed by a judge. You can ask the officer am I arrested or detained? And if the officer says no, then you ask, am I free? If they say yes, then you can leave. And if they arrest you, remember, you have the right to remain silent. And you can tell the immigration officer that you're not going to talk unless you have your attorney present. The same rules applies to your work. Non-immigration officers have the right to come to your workplace and enter without a warrant signed by a judge. So talk to your boss, talk to your coworkers, organize a meeting so you all make a plan. If something like that gets to happen, you all agree to remain silent, to not sign anything, to not say anything. So remember 3 things. Stay silent, do not sign anything, call your lawyer. Thank you.